When it comes to investing in your Etsy shop, sometimes you've got to spend a little money. But honestly, a lot of the tools that I use every single day are completely free. So today I'm walking you through my favorite $0 tools for Etsy sellers in 2025. Hey, if you're new here, my name is Starla Moore, founder of the Handmade Alpha Academy for Etsy sellers and manager at eRank.com, Etsy's most popular SEO tool. And in today's video, I'm sharing my most used free tools for business. Whether it's photography, video editing, staying organized, or staying consistent on social media, these are the exact tools that help me to keep my business and life running smoothly. Oh, and for the record, I'm not affiliated with any of these. No affiliate links, none, nada, zip. Okay, let's do this. If you've been around a while, you already know that I'm a Canva girly through and through. I use Canva for everything. Instagram posts, listing images, banners, reels, YouTube thumbnails, you name it. They've got a drag and drop editor and thousands of pre-built templates that you can use for your Etsy shop, marketing, and beyond. And yes, I do pay for a Canva Pro now because I love the background remover, but honestly, the free version is stacked with tools and templates that most Etsy sellers will find more than enough. All right, quick disclaimer, I do work for eRank, but I only work there because I love eRank so much, and I've been using the tool for over 7 years. If you're in the beginner stages of Etsy SEO, the free plan will give you a solid foundation to get started. In fact, I actually have a great tutorial up here, which can help you to make the most of your free plan. So definitely check that out if you're unsure of where to start. I'll also include a link down in the video description for a month-long free trial of any paid plan in case you feel like you need a little more but want to test the tool out for yourself first. If you've ever wondered how I do everything that I do without having a team of employees behind me, Trello is how I keep my brain from leaking out of my ears. I use it for organizing literally everything. Content planning, video scripts, to-do lists, launches, even Christmas shopping. Think of it like a digital corkboard where you can move things around, label tasks, set deadlines, and even check off to-dos when they're completed. I personally use it to organize content and tasks with Mark, and it's made teamwork between the two of us a lot easier. Don't want to learn Photoshop? Same, which is why I personally use iPiccy.com. It's a browser-based photo editor that feels like Photoshop Lite, but without the learning curve or the subscription cost. You can fine-tune your listing images, create mock-ups, and even edit personal photos. If you're on a tight budget, it's an awesome tool to learn. If you're not using video in your Etsy business yet, especially for social media marketing, now is the time. CapCut is a free mobile video editor that lets you create amazing short-form videos in just minutes. It has transitions, effects, templates, and my favorite feature, auto captions. Whether you just need to fine-tune some videos for your listings, or you want to branch out into social media marketing on platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels, CapCut is a super easy way to get started. If you're over the daily pressure of posting on social media for your business, Metricool is your new best friend. It's a content scheduler that lets you plan and auto-post to Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, and more, all from one dashboard. I used to use Later, but switched to Metricool and never looked back due to their ease of use and their built-in analytics. As of right now, I do use a paid plan so I can post to LinkedIn, but for most Etsy sellers, the free plan is plenty. When it comes to planning content, I personally schedule 2 months ahead so I can set it and forget it, and Metricool makes that super easy. Okay, this one isn't business specific, but if you've got a partner or kids, it will change your life. Cozi is a shared family planner that the whole family can download and use together. Everyone in your house can see the calendar, add grocery items, schedule appointments, and get reminders. So when Mark forgets what time the dog's vet appointment is, I can just say, check Cozi. We've been using this app for nearly 10 years now because it keeps our household sane, and that directly impacts how smoothly our business runs. All right, this one is a personal plug, but trust me, it'll be worth it. If you're ready to start building better Etsy SEO habits, my free Etsy SEO ebook and workbook are loaded with practical tools. The workbook especially because it includes checklists, keyword brainstorm pages, planning worksheets, and habit trackers that will help you to not just learn SEO, but to form good habits when it comes to your keyword performance. So if you've been feeling overwhelmed or directionless with Etsy search, this is the guide that I wish I'd had when I was starting out. You can grab that free guide up here and in the description down below. Building a profitable Etsy shop doesn't have to break the bank, and it absolutely shouldn't, especially when you're just starting out, which is why every single Tuesday I'm here with a new video tutorial to help you grow. And every Friday, my husband and I stream live here on YouTube to answer your Etsy questions. Until next time, Pookie.